Alright, welcome back to the channel. There's a deer right there. Today we are going to be starting some work on the Chevy. So, got to do a little bit of a gas tank conversion because right now the gas tank is in the cab and that is not going to be fun. So, instead, I have a gas tank that takes this one and gets rid of it, and then we have a new one that we put in between those frame rails. So a couple things have to happen. One, the wood needs to come off, and then two, these helper springs need to come off because the helper springs are in the way of the new tank. So that's it. Alright, like and subscribe. Let's get to work on it. Oh my god, all of them. We use a locking plier to keep that locked in place. And there's a rusty bolt. Because I'm injured, I'm going to have my assistant, Ariel.
Where is it?
It's right here. Straight up.
Keep going?
Yeah, all the way. Okay. I'll be filmer. Okay, it's out. It's out. Yeah, there you go. Just pull it. Just pull it. There you go. Keep your glasses on. Give a push.
Alright. Wow.
It's very rotted.
A little bit.
I'm gonna go in the saved wood drawer. Right, hold on. There we go. Alright, let's just throw it on top of. Yep. For now. This side. Just get a lot of it. Some of this is just gonna fall out.
Ready?
Yeah. What are you looking for?
Make sure not that stuff in poop.
Wait. Okay. can grab it with your gloves, but it is hot. Okay.
Oh, almost got it.
Okay, there we go. All right, the last pieces. Glass boards causing some headaches. Alright, cool. That is off. Alright, now we should be able to get those last couple bolts off, and we can start putting the gas tank in. Cool.